Now that you have a fair understanding of what Google Ads is about, I'm now quickly going to demonstrate how the Google Ads console looks like. As you can see at the top of the screen, we have the word Google Ads, and this is quite interesting because Google changed its name from Google AdWords to Google Ads, so hence this appears in the corner. And what we have, as you can see, we have a hierarchy over here. In respect of our search ads, what we have is we have all campaigns and fitness tracker. So this is, if you click over here, you get all your campaigns. However, if you want to zoom in on specific campaigns, you go over here and you can click on fitness tracker, which is the campaign we are going to be working with throughout this course. And what you can see under fitness tracker is you can click and unclick it, and you've got all the ad groups under fitness tracker. And as you can see, as you click each specific ad group, the screen dynamically changes based on the specific ad group that you have clicked on. So this is at a campaign level, so you can click this caret and hide it. And what you can see is you have the overview, which is the summary of the whole campaign. At the moment it's on all campaigns, fitness tracker, brand 2 fitness tracker. Let's just click on fitness tracker to go down a level. And what you have is you have your overview, which is a summary of important metrics. You have various recommendations. You then have the ad groups, and you can see all your ad groups are displayed over there. You have your ad and extensions, so you have your ads and your various extensions relating to this specific campaign. You have your keywords relating to a specific campaign, and as you can see, if you click on this caret, you can then zoom in on specific ad groups, for example, Activity Watch or Brand 2 Fitness Tracker, and you get your various detailed information at that level. You can also see what audiences you have for your specific ad groups, and if you click over there, then it goes back to the campaign level. You can see your settings for your campaign level, and I'm going to discuss in detail later the settings for setting up a campaign. You have your location settings, and over here we can see we can see which locations our specific ads are targeting. We've got our ad schedules and our devices. A very useful shortcut when navigating your way around the Google Ads console is the question mark key. And when you press it, you are given a number of options. For example, the keyboard shortcut GC allows you to go to campaigns. The shortcut GJ allows you to go to ad groups, etc. And you can study these various shortcuts at your convenience. The next thing I want to demonstrate in the Google Ads console is how we go about creating a campaign, creating ad groups, keywords, and ads all within the Google Ads console. So what we do is we go to all campaigns, we click on the plus sign, and we click new campaign. We then select the campaign type, and we can choose what the single most important goal is, and we can choose sales, we can choose website visits, and we can put our web page in there, and we can click continue. We then can name our campaign, and let's name it sample 1. And we can make our various choices relating to networks, locations, languages, or audiences, our budget, let's say a 10 Rand, and we go save and continue. And the purpose here isn't really to demonstrate the settings for the campaign, but rather the process as to how to navigate through the various Google Ads console screens. So I'm now going to demonstrate to you how to create your various ad groups. So let's call the first ad group sample 1. And we can put in our various keywords. Keyword A, keyword B. And a nice thing about this specific screen is you can also add additional ad groups. So you can create sample ad group A, and we can create sample ad group B. Let's make it sample B ad group. And then we can also put our various keywords. 1, keywords 2, and we can then create another ad group if we wish, but we won't. So let's go save and continue. We then can populate our various ads, our URL, our headline 1, our headline 2, our headline 3, our description 1, description 2, and the same thing applies to the ads under the sample B ad group. And the nice thing about this specific screen is you can get a preview of how your ad looks. You then click save and continue, and you have now created an ad via the Google Ads console. But as you will see in this course, the major method through which ads are going to be created is via our spreadsheets and via Google Adwords editor. The next thing I wish to demonstrate to you is the icons at the top, and you have your tools icons, which deals with your keyword planning, your ad preview and diagnosis, your shared library options, audience manager, and this is for remarketing, your portfolio bid strategies, negative keyword lists, shared budgets, placement exclusion lists, your bulk actions, your measurements, your conversions, your Google Analytics, your search attribution settings. Please note that within your tools icon, there are settings relating to billings and payments, and it is in this section that you can enter your specific credit card data if you have not already selected your specific credit card when you are setting up your account. Please note that under the spanner icon, you also have the heading called Preferences, and here you can make various settings relating to your time zones, which is important when you structure your scheduling, and you also have various options relating to your languages and how numbers are formatted. The next icon that is of importance is your reports icon. And what you can see there is you have reports, predefined reports, and dashboards.